The third step captures the details of whose NRI or CIWG certificate you will upload later. First, select the parent relation. Father if your father holds the certificate, or mother if your mother does. The details here must match the certificate exactly, or your application may be rejected. Enter the parent's complete full name as printed on the certificate. No initials, no nicknames, no spelling variations. Then enter the parent's active email address, mobile number with the correct country code, and permanent residential address abroad. If the parent's address is the same as your student address, tick the same as student address checkbox. If not, enter it manually. You also have the option to add an alternate address if needed. The last and most important field in this step is country issuing NRI or CIWG certificate. Here, you must select the country mentioned on the certificate itself, not your current place of residence. For example, if your NRI certificate was issued by the Indian Embassy in Dubai, select Dubai. If it was issued by an authority in Doha, select Doha. Incorrect selection will cause your document verification to fail. Click Save, and your profile completeness will rise to 60%.